In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to create a journal for your brand in just 10 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and on this channel, I talk about how to create multiple streams of income in digital publishing. If you love all things multiple streams of income in digital publishing, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Now, before we get into today's tutorial, I want to let you guys know about my free Essential Publishing Toolkit. This free, ready-to-use templates are designed for busy publishing professionals like you. I include a client/author service agreement template, publishing client tracker, client onboarding checklist is all you need to get started in your publishing business or to up level. Okay, these templates are absolutely for free. I put the link in my description at sharlritadeloatch.com/toolkit. Now let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you will need to do, number one, you will need to go over to shewritesdigitalhub.com. And when you go to shewritesdigitalhub.com, you're going to go to the all ready to use templates that we have here. You're going to go to the done for you journals and planners to see what we have available for you. Okay, so you're going to choose which one you want. Now, this all depends on your brand and what you're selling and what really will fit into your brand. So once you choose one, let's say we choose the Goal Getter Productivity Planner. Okay, so that's what this is. This is the Goal Getter Productivity Planner, and you can have access to it here. You also have a mock-up here, what's inside, which I'm going to show you what's inside. Also, you have the cover and all that good stuff. Okay, so we have all of that right here. All right, so let's go on over here. Once you download it, you're going to get a file. The file is going to look just like this. Make sure it is the cover that you're supposed to have. I usually put the cover of the planner or journal that you download. Okay, so what you will need to do is once you get this, you're going to get inside the template first. So you're going to get the inside of the journal first. So what you'll need to do is you need to click over here to get the inside, which will look just like this. Okay, so you can write your name on this. This says this productivity planner belongs to. You can put, the name of the planner. You can put whatever you want here because it is a Canva file. Okay. You can add your logo here. So let's say you have a logo. You can add that there. Let's see if I can find one of the logos. Let's use this logo. So let's say that's there. So we're going to move that here. I know it doesn't, look, but you're going to put your logo here. So add a logo in your business in a sentence about your product or services. So we're going to put She Writes. Let's say She Writes Publishing Company for new and aspiring writers. Okay. All right. So you can put your social media here. She Writes. Let's say She Writes Publishing. And then you're going to move that over here. She Writes Publishing. You can move that over here. Put our website. I don't know if this is a company name or not. SheWritesPublishing.com. I'm quite sure it probably is. Let's see here. All right, so we're going to move that down there. All right. Down here, the copyright. So we're going to have year 2024, because when you download these journals, they are journals or planners. They are one buyer only. So we don't operate like a PLR site. This is a one buyer only, because once this bought is gone, because we exclusively make these designs and we want to make them for one buyer only. Okay, so that's a good thing about purchasing your journals or planners from us. Okay, She Writes Publishing, and then you can put your name there. She Writes Publishing. All right, I'm trying to keep up with the time there, okay? So you put hey there. You can put here an area where you can write a special notes. So you can put thank you so much for purchasing My journal, my goal for you. You get the most out. Journal and set high goals. So I'm just making some of y'all. Okay. So you can put that there, put your name here. All right, make sure it fit on one line. If it can't, go ahead and make it a little bit smaller. All right. You can change the fonts too. So you have different fonts that you use in your brand. You don't have to necessarily use these fonts. Okay. So you can use different fonts if you want. So there's a font there. There's a different font there. So you don't have to necessarily use these fonts, but you could change those things. Okay. All right. So here's the actual planner. So plan for week of. So this is where you don't, you can, if you want to change this, let's say you have a certain saying that you say, this says to-do list. Let's say, I don't know. I'm thinking off the top of my head. You can put an affirmation here. You can also, if you want, you can put your own affirmations here. So you can have the affirmations already here for your potential customers that's going to buy your planner. You can do that, or you could just have it, leave it just like it is, like we have it here, and you can, just sell it as is. Now, this does come with over 100 pages. Let me show you here. Let's see. So you're going to it comes with 108 pages. Okay. So it's 108 pages. Now, the last page you want to make sure that you fill out. So about the journal author. So you make sure you put, your name here, put your picture here. Let's see if we can find a picture. Okay. I'll go oops. Go back. Okay, put your picture there. Write a little bit about you. This is where you can put your bio, your website. You can put your email there as well. You can also, in the beginning, you can use this journal for so many different ways. Like if you want to give this away for free to your audience, you can also get it printed, which I recommend uploading this to Amazon KDP, and you can get them printed. The printing probably will cost about a good $2.30 to 50 cents, somewhere around there. Just about how many pages it is. You can't add pages. So let's say you what, I want to add more pages. You can do that. I would suggest adding them. You can either add them at the end down here just by clicking here, duplicate page. Just click right there. You can go down here where it says grid view, and you can view all of the pages at once. Okay, there we go. I was going to say it's not going to come up. So you can view all of the pages at once. So you have that option to do that. So here it is right here. Okay, so you can view all of the pages at once. You want to take that down here in Canva, you could just click right there. Choose where it says choose your view again. It will take it down for you. Okay. So you have that. So once you got everything that you need here, and make sure that you added what you wanted to add here. This is a different size. So this is an 8x11. Let me show you what the size is. This is an 8x5x11. Okay, so this size is an 8x5x11. So this is a planner size. So what you're going to need to do is share right up here and download. And then you want to come up here to the file type and download it as a PDF print. Okay. Where's the PDF? PDF print. Okay. So you'll download that as a PDF print. You'll go back here to the sheet, and you see it says that's the inside, and then you're going to get the paperback as well. Okay. So you can upload it to Amazon KDP, and you can, get them printed. Okay. So I already have a saying back here, but you can change this if you want, and you can put your name back here, created by. All right. So make it a little smaller because you want, I like mine on one line. And then put your website here. Okay, make it a little smaller to make sure it fits on one line. And then you can change the color if you want. So if you want to change this to a different color, by all means, you can do that, because you do get the right to do so. So as you look here inside of, you get the license and the right. So your purchase does come with the publishing and commercial rights. That's why we have it as one buyer only, because we don't want everybody to have the same one. But you are definitely able to make these changes here. All right, so you're going to get the file that's going to be clickable. You can change the color if you want to. Say if you want to say, hey, I want to do a different color, let's do orange. So you can do orange. That can be something that you can do as well. Okay, so we just make it easy. So all you have to do is just purchase, and then you can download, add your branding, and you can publish. That's how easy we make it, and that's how you can do this in 10 minutes. I don't know if it has been 10 minutes. It probably has been 10 minutes, but you can do this. Now, if you are not familiar with Amazon KDP, you are just, maybe you haven't set up an account yet, you go to kdp.amazon.com, kdp.amazon.com. And when you go there, you need to set up an account. I already have account set up. Once you have everything set up, you can come up here and upload. Okay, so I'll probably do a separate video showing you how to upload these journals as well. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do that. Okay, so again, download when you're finished with the cover as well. Make sure you download it. You're going to download as a PDF. Okay, download it as a PDF as well. And I failed to tell you guys this as well. When you go over to Canva, make sure the first thing that you do is change the title. Okay, so change the title so that it's something recognizable for you, okay, in your brand and your business. Okay, so I wanted to make sure that I mentioned that. So that's how you can, in 10 minutes or less, you can become a published author. In 10 minutes or less, you can create your journal for your brand or your business. It's great to have, books when it comes to your brand or your business. Also, you can use these for lead magnets. You can use these to create, maybe you want to have a productivity challenge. You can have a productivity challenge, and one of the gifts is that you're going to send them a printed copy of the planner. It's a great way for them to be productive. If you host a cohort or something, this can be a gift that you can give to your clients. There's so many different ways that you can really maximize the use of this product. I mean, for just $147, you're paying one time. You can make this back times 10,000. Okay, and not only that, but you can get great use of them. Okay, so make sure you go to SheWritesDigitalHub.com to check out some of the done for you planners and journals that we have available. Again, you can put your name on them. You can add them as a brand. It'll be great if you have an event, you want to give something to your attendees. This will be great for you. Okay, so that is all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial so you can get your book done in just 10 minutes. Okay, have a great day, and thank you so much for joining, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.